What up, Team Cows? We're at A Basin with Alex and Andrew. If you guys remember them from the winter, we actually rode with these guys. They're super awesome. You can check that video out right there. We also got Mom, and it's gonna be a sick day. It's raining. I've actually never mountain biked in the rain, so hopefully the camera doesn't get wet. And I'm gonna go behind these guys. They're gonna show me how it's done, because you're experts, right?
Yeah, we like to think so, yeah.
Yeah, they're experts. So let me do my shocks real quick, and we're good to go.
All right,
bless you.
Thank you.
Hold on, wait. I ain't ready. Settle down. Oh, these kids are gonna smoke me. Oh, that was terrifying. Dude, they're so fast. It's sick to ride with other people though. Oh, almost. I make a lot of noises. These berms are so good. Everything's kind of muddy. I don't know if it's good or bad. Whoa! Alex, you're so fast, dude. Yeah. Oh. This section's so cool. Ooh. Oh. A bug just hit me in the eye. Oh, oh, that's terrifying. That section's terrifying. All right, bug's out of my eye. Ooh. Oh, my forearms are feeling it. Oh. Dude, it's raining so hardcore. Good thing I got this visor on my helmet. None of it's hit my eyes. Oh, I didn't put my sunglasses in my pocket. Oh, I think I lost my sunglasses. Oh no. We'll have to get them on the round too. I'm gonna check right here. They're in my pocket. Nope. Maybe Mom grabbed them. 100%. Did put my sunglasses back on and dropped them. Rip. Ooh. I like to go with these rocks right here. Ooh. Dude, the boys are cruising. It's nice because it makes me like want to go faster and catch up to them. Ooh. Maybe go with a little jump. Oh, slow down. There's a big burn. Oh man, that's the scariest berm of them all. Yeah, a bunch of big rocks. Ooh. Ooh. The rain's been kind of nice though, it's keeping us cool, making the brakes super squeaky though. Oh. One burn, two burns. Oh god. Oh, I almost killed myself. Grabbing the handlebars all hardcore. Or the brakes, I almost went full brake mode. Oh, that's terrifying. I wonder where my sunglasses fell off. Oh, I gotta go back up and get them. Oh, I can't believe I did that. I've never done that. Wow. Start lowering the gears for the climb back up. I got bad news. I forgot to put my sunglasses back on.
Oh no!
So they went flying somewhere. You guys crushed that. I couldn't keep up to save my life.
You know what? Did you lose them?
Yeah, they're somewhere on the trail.
Oh, okay. Mom can find them.
Yeah, we'll see him.
I'm hoping mom saw them and picked them up. We'll find out. See if she's mom of the year.
Oh, I know.
It's like crazy sunny but downpour raining.
It's like awesome. Yeah, it's
This is
perfect.
my favorite temperature.
Dude, it's puking and it's sunny. Puking. Mom of the year. Thanks for grabbing my sunglasses.
Got 'em! I was right. I was like, oh no!
Yeah, I was like going down. I was like, man, it looks so different. I was like, wait, I'm not wearing my sunglasses.
Yeah, they were right where you took off.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, no scratches, nothing. Mom of the
No,
year.
they were just laying there.
Let's go. I've also been like sitting back in the seat.
Oh yeah.
Is that's probably not. It's probably not the right way, but I'm being able to do it.
I usually just stand up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One more.
Yeah, let's do it.
Do it.
All right, let's do it. Even though we're getting soaked.
It's puking.
It's puking rain. The rocks were super slick. Oh, it wasn't a big deal catching our breath.
Okay.
I'm just so thankful you picked up my glasses.
Oh.
Totally. All right, we're back to the top. And slow down, Alex. All right, guys, here we go. I love those first two rocks so much. We're crushing it. Here we go. Try to keep up with the boys. Oh, oh, that was terrifying. Oh, it's so... that turn's so scary. I might be too high over here. Oh, they're so wet. Oh, the rain's coming back. The wet is definitely gonna kick us off the mountain. Especially all the thunder we're hearing. I don't wanna get struck by lightning. I also stopped running the chairlift, which is a sign that it's getting gnarly. Woo! I'm probably getting like 2 inches of air, but the jumps feel sick. Oh my gosh. Whew. Whew. Here we go. Oh, I can't breathe. I'm not talking because I just, I hit this jump. Ooh. Oh. Oh, bumpy rocks. Here we go. Oh, to like even more rocks. Oh, 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 you guys waited for me.
Wait for you.
What nice guys.
Yeah. Oh, this rock right here is so sketchy.
Oh, the one on the left? The big one on the left? Oh man, my arms are feeling it. Woo. I like this section. Oh, my foot almost bounced off there. The pedal. Oh! These are so... I'm closer this time to the boys, but they also waited for me in this section. Oh! I want to send that rock one day. Oh! Oh, I just purposely avoided all those rocks. I've never done that before. Squeaky brakes. Whew. Whew. Wow. I also like one day I want to set this and just jump over all these rocks like, and then like, blah, and then just, blah. I think that's how people, when they mountain bike, that's how they sound. Blah. Whoa. Ooh. Ooh. Let's go.
I'll try to leave you hanging.
My arms are burning.
I know. Oh.
You guys crushed that.
Heck yeah, you did too. Alex did crush something.
Did you fall?
Yeah.
I say you look muddy.
Yep. We're good though. I popped back up.
Happens. I need to ride in pants, it looks like.
Yeah.
That's the move. My camera wasn't going, but there was the gnarliest lightning, so.
You can still kind of hear it.
No more laps, we're out of here.
Yeah. Did you guys see that lightning?
Yeah.
We counted. It's 9 miles away.
We got there just in time.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's time to get off this mountain and our metal tools.
At least we're holding on to something rubber.
True.
Yeah, all right, let's get to the car.
You could beat us.
Yeah, I'm happy to make it happen. I think it's good time still. Yeah, it's not even 2 yet. You got wheelies? Let's see it.
Alex is still good at wheelies.
Oh. I don't got a wheelie. I don't even know where to start. We'll have to do like a bike park one day.
That would be sick.
Definitely.
Just don't lean forward.
So it's right. Yeah, it's called Frisco Adventure Park. If you Google it. It's coming down. It's raining so hardcore. I'm just gonna keep the mount on my face mask. All right, guys, sick, quick day of mountain biking. Tons of fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff. Yeah, getting into mountain biking, just having a blast, and a lot of it's just getting out and doing it. So I know this was a super short video, and there wasn't like a story behind it other than being up with Alex and Andrew. Those guys are awesome. They hit me up. They're like, yo, let's mountain bike. And I forgot that I rode with them in the winter. And then like after 5 minutes of hanging out, I was like, wait a second. And they were like, do you not remember? I was like, no, I do. It was interesting. I try to remember all of you guys, and I do remember you guys. I just sometimes have a potato brain. I meet so many of you guys every single day. It's incredible. Also, like, mountain biking in the rain was insane. I feel dirty, and I feel like I'm barely even dirty. These clothes need to be washed for sure. But with all that rambling, if you guys want to support this mountain bike journey, just know all my mountain bike gear, anything I'm rocking is always in the description, as well as all my snowboard gear, my snowboard videos. If you're new to the channel, I make snowboard content for a living in the summers. We still snowboard, but we gotta fill in some days and we're going mountain biking with that. So with all that, Sea Mountain Gals, I hope the camera wasn't too close to my face. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliff.
This one. Oh.